Welcome to official ATMC platform. This is another video upon the innovative app introduced by us, the kitchen recipe book, wherein the new cooks can find the recipes and can be on the path to become a great cook. So this is the app wherein the uh, cooking lovers can upload their recipes and their followers can look through it and can follow the recipes introduced by them. So we have multiple options like today's recipe. So one can favorite it by what is the name of the recipe, the dish, and who has posted it. So all these things can be seen here. Then there is some sort of know about your user thing up here. Then user is given with the option to explore the best recipes from their favorite chefs. Then another category, what to cook tonight. So all these categories are just for making the app comprehensive and more user friendly with multiple options. Then there could be another category like holiday on a plate. So according to your requirements, you can customize this app and add multiple categories to it, like with holiday on a plate. So there are multiple recipes, again with the picture, the favorite option, and with the chef's name and what preparation and cooking time it needs, that has also been mentioned on the picture. Then another category is most popular recipes, recommended reads. Then quick links section is available. This is very unique feature of this app. So you can check on the multiple recipes available in the section, the kitchen stories, the community, and then we have the filters option. Great filtering option is available, as you can see, very vast. So you can definitely go to a perfect recipe of your choice. Then there is a search bar available wherein you can type what type of recipe you're looking for. Let's suppose I take vegan. It will show you the stories that has been edited by the registered chef from the community and from the web. So then we have the multiple tabs available. For example, if you want to check on pasta, you click upon pasta, and again you would be listed out with the several recipes to cook, prepare pasta. So multiple options are available here. It can be customized from the admin panel. Then there is a profile management. Now you can be a user and a chef as well from the same app. So a single app serves both chef as well as the end client. So you can have your own cookbook. Simply click upon create a new cookbook, give it a title, click upon save and your cookbook is ready. Now you can save the multiple recipes and add those recipes, those articles to your cookbook, and you would be ready with your own cookbook with multiple your favorite recipes. Then there is recipe section wherein you can share your own recipe with the community, and there is likes section where you would see all the favorite recipes you have done up till this point. Then we have an edit profile option wherein you can edit your profile, you can log out or delete account, or simply edit the profile and save. So this was all about this app. This is completely customizable. There is another setting option available with multiple options in it. How to set your app, how does it looks, what about the service provider, you can share the app, rate the app, multiple languages, measurement system, video autoplays. So you can set the multiple options from here and make the app work according to your um, requirements and needs. So this was all about this app. I hope this was a helpful video to you. It is completely customizable. For more inquiries on this, you can reach us at our website www.atmcconsultancy.com. Thanks for watching the video.